Hey, it's Alex with Be Organizing. So I'm preparing to go out of town soon, and I realized that there's one thing that I always do that everybody should do, that I always tell my clients to do before they go on any trip. And maybe you're planning something in before the kids go back to school or just a little weekend getaway. So I wanted to share with you what to do before you start packing, so then you can eliminate overpacking, underpacking, or just forgetting anything. So here it is. I make this this is actually even just a scrap piece of paper that I'm using. And so what I did here was the day and location. So I just have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. And then I say kind of where I'm at. And then the activities for each day. And then the clothing, accessories, and anything else that's needed for that day. So for example, day 1, we're going to be driving, we're having dinner at our rental place, and we're going to hang out in the hot tub to watch the sunset, and then just go to bed. And I always like to read in bed, so I need to make sure I have stuff for all those activities. So obviously during driving, I wear a comfy shirt, pants, sandals, dinner, same thing, hot tub, bathing suit, right? And then for sleep, I need my tank top, shorts, and my iPad to read. And so I go through each day, and you can see here, some of it starts overlapping where it's like, here's a bathing suit. But again, it could be that I need 2 different bathing suits, or I could use the same one. But it just kind of lays it out for you so that you look at this at the end and you're like, all right, how many pairs of shorts do I need? If I need 3 pairs of shorts for nighttime, maybe I just need to bring 2. I can wear the same one twice, and so on and so forth. So this is just really good. I could, of course, this could be an Excel sheet too, but I just always write it down like this because that's just the way I roll. And I always do it before I go out of town, just so that I know exactly what I need based on the activities, and I'm not just throwing in everything that potentially could happen because, oh, that's the other thing. Make sure you're being realistic with how you're going to be spending your time once you're there too. So don't overdo it. So anyways, I hope that's helpful. It's a really great tool, and just I feel like a lot of people skip that, is actually writing out the activities, what they're doing each day, and then tying in what accessories and clothing they need, attire based on that, besides the essential things that you need to pack. So till next time, I'll share more tips and fun tricks. Bye for now.